welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated these super cute little pumpkins, and it's going to be really fun and exciting, so please remember to hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. So let's get started with painting the pumpkins! Woohoo! So the first thing we'll be needing is some pumpkins. As you can see, here I have my little pumpkin patch. You will also need some paint and paint brushes. As you can see, I have my favorite colors here. And I'm just going to start off by painting 3 little pumpkins pink. And as for other decorations, I will show you as we go along. So yeah, remember to subscribe and let's get started. So I decided to paint 2 of my pumpkins pastel pink and one of them pastel blue. And then actually I just painted one purple and then another one blue because the colors were so pretty. But yeah, I just mixed some white with some pink. And then later on I mixed some white with some blue. So here I am mixing the blue paint with the white paint to paint 2 of my other pumpkins pastel blue. And then I ended up painting one of them purple as well by mixing the blue and the pink, as you'll see. And here are the pumpkins after I've done here are the pumpkins after I'm done painting them. I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry and do a second coat, and then we'll get to this super fun decorating part. So now that my pumpkins are pretty dry, I'm going to show you how to paint them and add cute decorations. So yeah, let's do that. So we are going to start with these 2 pumpkins, and I'm going to, oh, oops, hold on. I just set it in the paint. Okay, so oh no. I mean, I'm not decorating the bottom. I'm sure it'll be fine. So anywhoosie, I'm going to paint stuff on them, yep. You guys will see. Just watch. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do the icing and sprinkles on the cupcakey themed pumpkins that we're making. So yeah, that's what we're making. I didn't specify. I said that wrong. Wait. How do you say it? Hold up. So I looked on my phone and it is pronounced specify. So you're gonna wanna specify, oh no, whatever. Why did I even, wait a minute, what word was I even trying to say? I don't even know, guys. Just paint frosting on your pumpkins and so they look like cupcakes. Yep, okay. I didn't specify that they were cupcakes. That's what I was looking to say. I figured it out. So what I painted on these pumpkins was some like frosting drips. I'm gonna add sprinkles and it's gonna make more sense, but it's super cute right now. And as for these pumpkins, we are going to deco-den them with some E6000 glue and some sparkles a little bit. Just like I have with this jewelry case I'm not quite done with. Isn't that cute? I may show you the finished product on my Instagram when I'm done with it. Kinda kawaii, kinda retro at the same time. So yeah. I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to paint those with Mod Podge. So now I'm going to be Mod Podging these pumpkins and adding a little glitter. So yeah. Using a different brush, of course. Make sure you always wash your brush after using Mod Podge because it will stick. Time! I love this glitter. Nothing is sponsored, by the way. Someday my videos will be sponsored. Today is not the day. Just keep on keeping on. Woo! Sparkles. Boom shakalaka. We can also sparkleize the sides. This is a guarantee that glitter will get everywhere. And it is magical. Look at how sparkly they all are. So now I'm going to be painting the sprinkles. I'm going to be taking this brush and dipping it into the paint lengthwise, and then dipping it on to the pumpkin like a sprinkle for our sprinkles and frosting pumpkins. So yeah, like so. I'm going to start with pink, and then I'm going to go in and do lots of other colors. Anyway guys, this is what they look like with sprinkles. When you're done, put Mod Podge and glitter on them and they'll look super cute. And now I'm going to show you how I glue on the sparkles on the other pumpkins. So yeah, stick around. So for these pumpkins, I'm going to decorate them using E6000 glue and some pretty beads, and trying not to get it on the floor because my painting and gluing mat is covered with paint. So yeah, let's get started. So after these crafts, my fingers were covered in glue and paint. Please wear gloves when you're gluing, or be extra careful, especially with super glue. Well, I hope you liked that video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and have a good day, and take care of yourselves, and bye! Pumpkin! Yes, I filmed the intro and the outro in the same time. Yes, so I have the same pumpkin. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.